डॉक्यूमेंट्स और लीगल डिस्क्लेमर और पॉलिसीज को पढ़ने के बाद ही इस वीडियो को देखें। वॉच ऑल द डिस्क्लेमर्स एंड पॉलिसीज बिफोर एग्री।
Peer into the dark. Encrypted layers route your path. Total anonymity guaranteed. This is the gold standard of safety. Welcome to TRB FireOps.
Hey guys, welcome back. Into this video we will learn how you can visit dark web using your phone in 2026. Totally safe process. First thing you need is a Chrome browser. By Google, go search Tor browser on Google, because in Play Store the Tor browser can be monitored by the government, but the Tor browser that is available in Chrome cannot be. So go there and download the Android version, Android Archives 64-bit. Download that. I have already downloaded. And still you are a new user, please subscribe my channel for this kind of ethical hacking and educational videos. Then go open the Tor browser, connect it, then go to the three dots, click on the setting, then do these settings. Go to security level and you can set it as your wants. You can set it at safe or safest or standard. Turn off allow screenshot, but I am recording, that's why I am owning this, and copy my settings for better result. Then go and search hidden wiki. Then click on the second link. Then find hidden search engines for Tor browser. My personal favorite browser for search engine is Neat, Drive and Torch. But the Torch is kind of adult uh, search engine. That's why I don't prefer it, but let's visit it. Oh shit, man. You can see the ads are so bad. You can I cannot even show you this kind of ads on YouTube. If I try to show this kind of ads, YouTube will remove my video because of the YouTube guidelines. I really try to disclose as much as I could, but YouTube restriction and guidelines doesn't allow me to do that. That's why I have made this. Then another search engine is Neat Drive. I open it. It is the most simple, smooth, and the fastest search engine. You can search anything, legal to illegal, every single thing is available. In the first few websites are most popular websites, it's always come in the search engine, and in the downside you will find some unique website of dark web that are secret. The first website I visit was too dark. You can buy illegal items like drugs, and I cannot even say the word or YouTube will ban my video and channel. Then the second website I visited, and in this websites many things are that I cannot show on YouTube, but I'm trying to show using this in watermark of uncensored. Don't worry. And other things are also shown in this video, and Without any search engine, you cannot find any secret websites or cannot even access the hidden Tor browsers websites like dark web secret websites without the engine. I cannot show you the most popular websites because that are strictly prohibitable on YouTube. But the websites I can show is this websites where people can buy illegal stuffs, get illegal supports, and many people also buy hitman, guns, drugs, and many more illegal stuffs here. There are many pages where you can talk with random guy, but I will say never go there. Or here are many scam websites also that may harm you. That's why before going there, you need to research on that website on YouTube or find someone who has visited there. Or otherwise, they can try to get your information or trying to hack you. That's why do not use your main account or main Gmail. Thank you.